Good evening everyone, you're watching 9 p.m. Bulletin News. Here are the top legal developments. Actress Celina Jaitly moved to the Delhi High Court seeking an in-camera hearing in her matter. The plea was taken up by Justice Sachin Dutta. After hearing the submissions, the court allowed the request and directed the matter be heard in his chamber. Later, the court directed the Indian Consulate to share list of local accredited lawyers for legal representation. A Delhi court framed charges against Congress Member of Parliament Karti Chidambaram in the alleged Chinese visa scam case. The charges include offences of criminal conspiracy and bribing a public servant. The Delhi High Court directed Meta, X Corporation and various e-commerce platforms to ensure the takedown of social media posts falsely attributing quotes to former Indian cricket captain Sunil Gavaskar as well as online listings selling merchandise in his name without authorization. The Allahabad High Court has observed that chanting the slogan Gustakh-e-nabi ki ek saja sar tan se juda is not only punishable under Section 150 of BNS but is also contrary to the basic tenets of Islam. The Delhi High Court dismissed an appeal challenging the setting aside of an arbitral award in the partnership dispute. The court held that the arbitrator had misdirected himself and returned findings that were extraneous to the claimant's own case. In a petition challenging an order discharging accused persons in a case under Section 328 and 376 of IPC, Justice Swarana Kanta Sharma refused to interfere with the trial court's decision. The court observed that the harm caused by a false sexual offence case cannot be undone merely by an order of discharge or sympathetic words and issued directions for recovery of victim compensation to preserve the credibility of schemes meant for genuine victims of sexual violence. The Bombay High Court Aurangabad bench has clarified that the percentage or degree of burn injuries alone is not decisive while assessing the credibility of a dying declaration in dowry death cases. The court held that the decisive factor is whether the declarant was in a fit and conscious state to make the statement. The Delhi High Court has quashed the selection process conducted by the National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration for the post of assistant professor reserved for persons with benchmark disabilities. The court held that a recruitment process based solely on interviews without structured criteria or objective evaluation is arbitrary and violative of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution. The Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court has held that the Dharmarth Trust qualifies as industry under the India Steel Disputes Act. The court upheld the reinstatement of a Safai Karmchari along with 50% back wages. In a separate matter, the Delhi High Court allowed Indraprastha Gas Limited's writ petition and quashed a 2011 Labour Court award that had directed reinstatement of a workman with continuity of service with full wages. The Telangana High Court has ruled that income earned from the sale of tissue cultured plants constitutes agriculture income and is exempt from tax under Section 10(1) of the Income Tax Act. The Delhi High Court granted bail to Kuldeep Singh Sengar in Unnao rape case. The Chief Justice of India, Justice Sachin Dutta, delivered the convocation address at the 7th convocation ceremony of the Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Punjab. The CJI urged young law graduates to look beyond case victories and embrace their role in nation building, emphasizing integrity, compassion, and curiosity as core professional values. That's all for tonight. Thank you for watching the Bulletin 9 p.m. news.